Welcome to Prophecy's support portal. Today we'll be showing you how to upload a client's custom branding, logo, and color scheme in the client dashboard and any reports you create. Once logged in, go to the top right hand side of the screen, click on the settings icon, and then select Manage Brandings from the menu that drops down. It should also be noted this is where you can edit previously created brandings that you are currently using. To get started, give the branding you are creating a name. Next, choose a header text to be displayed in the top left-hand corner of the dashboard and any reports you generate. Then you will upload a dashboard and report logo. After that, you have the option of including a custom color scheme, giving you ultimate control over how the dashboard is going to look. We even allow you to enter a specific color's hex number. In addition to that, we allow you to import the font of your choice. Lastly, before saving the branding, we recommend that you preview these settings so that you can be sure it is up to your liking. Now click Save and you are ready to include this newly created branding on reports and in the dashboard. If you have any questions at all or simply need a refresher, please visit support.myprophecy.com or reach out to us at support@myprophecy.com. Thanks for watching.